Tonight we are doing one big burger that we are going to turn into sliders. This is one of Bob's favorite things to do. I first had it at his place about a year ago and it was amazing. We're at his place again tonight, obviously.
We're actually going to do 2 huge burgers, 2.5 pound to 3 pound packs of meat, put them on the Blackstone.
This feeds a lot of people all at once in one fell swoop, which is a bonus.
And we got a lot of people coming, so
that's right, like at least 2. So
yeah.
Let's go get it done.
All
Cheers.
Right, cheers.
Basement.
Right now we're gonna put this huge hamburger meat on, and we gotta smash it down, then put the next. We gotta try to do it simultaneously, so you may need to.
Okay. So should I bring this over?
Yeah. And we're gonna have to try to smash, and then we season.
Where are my gloves, May?
Right here.
Nice.
Our recipe's from a food truck. A guy wrote his recipe online. Don't know who he is, or he, I think he died of COVID.
He's dead now.
Yeah, but we're carrying on his recipe.
Legacy.
The first 30 to 45 seconds you season, then smash. So I'm thinking we go this way. So your 2 flames are here, mine are here.
Am I going in the middle of it or right on it?
Right, like that. You're gonna get right here. So how much of this, I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's why it's low sodium, folks. Worcestershire sauce, low sodium.
This Lowry's, always gotta have Lowry's in the pantry. I love the sound, I must say.
Yeah, it sounds good, good sizzle. Very good sizzle.
Dude, this thing is so much better in terms of how much it puts out.
Yeah, that's the Costco one.
I like it.
Like $4.
Really?
Yeah.
I paid double that for like a third of it at Harris Teeter. Go to Costco, everybody. You got it.
Do I?
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you definitely got it.
That's the sound of happiness right there.
What would you say those are in size?
Big as
14 by
hell.
12? Yeah, big as hell is the technical term. How the hell are we gonna flip those guys?
So I've got these 2 huge.
Are we doing it together or are you doing it alone?
Well, it's all depending on how they cook. If they both go at the same time, you got to use your hands, son. So we got these shipped from Hawaii. They say King's Hawaiian on the package. We're pretty impressed.
Good job. That seems like the hardest part right there to me.
It's not bad. That's not bad. Well, remember, I'm a doctor.
Yeah, I do remember. That's why you got the blue gloves.
That's right.
That's why you gave me, I'm your like nurse.
Yeah, you are the nurse.
Nurse practitioner, thank you very much.
So once we get a little more hemoglobin up, we're gonna flip them.
Smells amazing, I must say.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
Good job.
Oh yeah, look at that brown.
Very good job.
And we gotta start getting the cheese ready actually, Chad.
Oh, good point.
And I think this baby might be ready to. This baby might be ready to go.
Like this?
Yeah, just put it all over, man.
Woo, good job. He's been flipping burgers for a long time.
Yeah, I actually worked at Wendy's when I was 15. It took a long time to get up to the grill, but they use the same thing as the Blackstone, basically. Oh, shoot. So these are burning. These are burnt.
Oh boy, get the next one.
These are burnt.
Yeah, those are done.
Super toasty.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah, this one's okay.
That one's okay, that one's not.
Maybe we go double.
I think we gotta go double.
All right.
They're gonna be super bomb.
You ready?
Yeah, these are gonna be money doubles.
Oh, yeah. Every cook's different.
Oh wow.
Every cook's different.
You know, this might have been what we should have done to begin with anyway.
Yeah, well, it's the grilling gods telling us.
Correct.
You idiots.
You do the honors, sir.
Okay.
Oh man, this is gonna be good.
Oh, yeah. Man, it smells amazing. And we got the good brown. Salivating.
Correct.
The dogs are salivating.
To add to them, we've got this Kinder's, the burger sauce
So where'd you find that?
at Harris Teeter and As you know from last week, Grillo's pickles are my favorite, but these are blazing hot.
So is it Gritos?
Pickle chips.
Is the question.
I don't know, I'll call it Grillo's.
That's like saying quesadilla.
Correct. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, that's okay.
I actually like it that way.
Yeah, I'll take this edge right here.
What do you want to add to it?
Both.
God, this looks amazing. Need a little bit more.
I was gonna say, don't go light.
Yeah.
You only live once.
Cheers, man.
Oh yeah. We got that good brown on there. That's the one thing the Blackstone does, it gives us a good crisp. Definite.
This is fantastic. Delicious.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
I love the double too,
Yeah, this is
because we're getting the cheese,
double cheese.
the juice from the burger.
I don't know why we don't do this more often.
Yeah, why don't we?
And it's one flip.
You know how many people we can feed?
And that took like what, like 8 or 9 minutes?
I need to take another dab of
Yeah,
this
me
sauce
too.
to see if I like
It is
it.
good, I like it.
It does have a Big Mac style flavor.
Yeah, it does.
It's pretty good. 10 out of 10 monies. It's gooey with all that cheese. The burger is delicious. The bread is nice and soft.
Yeah, Hawaiian bread.
Really, really good. And we honestly don't even need that many toppings.
No.
This
'Cause
is like,
want
you know
the
what this
taste.
is? This is like White Castle on steroids. That's
Yeah,
what
'cause
this is.
I don't know why I've been flipping like 20 burgers at once.
I know, yeah, you know me, I'm out there like
Yeah.
flipping one after another, after another, after
so
another.
at his house, he does them like kind of like a restaurant. Like when you order, he cooks them. So I'm always impressed by. But when you have like kids want food, then 2 adults show up, they want food. He's doing like single burgers.
Amazing. All right,
Yeah, this is money.
thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We'll see you next time.
Out.